Hi, welcome back to another video. Today, I will show you how you can fix the audio issue on your front panel. So let's get started. First of all, you need to find out your motherboard model. So go to search and type system information. Here, you can see your motherboard model and other information. Now, just go to Google and search for your motherboard model. In my case, it is the ASUS H81MCS. All you have to do is just download and install the audio driver for your motherboard from the official website. I have already downloaded and installed the driver, so I won't reinstall it. After your installation has completed, you must restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, now simply go to the system tray. Here, right-click on this and open the sound manager. As you can see here, your front panel is off, so click on device settings and then click on option. Here, you will see two options. Between these two, you have to choose the AC97 audio front panel and hit OK. Now, click on the volume icon. Here you will see speakers Realtek high definition audio. Just select this one. Now your front panel should work properly.